Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be comparing two artificial Christmas trees, one from Treetopia and the other one from Micheals. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, thank you so much to Treetopia for sponsoring this video. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got in those boxes. I will be giving you my honest opinion on what I think of both trees. If you guys are not familiar with Treetopia, they are a tree company, Christmas tree company, I should say. But they are very different. One thing that makes them stand out from all the rest of the companies out there is that they have colorful Christmas trees. Any color you can imagine, they have it. They have white, black, gold, kind of like a zebra color looking. Also red, pink, orange, blue. Any color, you name it, you can find it. I have never seen something so unique like what they're bringing. So when I get a chance to collaborate with them, I was super excited. I was like, oh my god, this is different. I'm up for the challenge. Excited for you guys to see the color of my tree. This is something I have never done before. This is my second year with an artificial tree. Before, I used to be a real tree type of girl. We had a tradition where me and my family would go every beginning of December and we would pick a tree and decorate it the same night, put the lights on. But we stopped doing that because our tree would die pretty fast. And you know what? I said, let me try an artificial tree, see how I like it. And like I said, last year was my first year. I loved. If you ever had a real Christmas tree, you know that towards the end of the month or like 2 weeks in, your tree starts kind of looking droopy. By the time Christmas would come around, my tree would be just very flat and just everything, like the ornaments would be kind of hanging down. I mean, I love the whole experience of having a Christmas tree, that it's real and all that. But for decorating purposes, I feel like an artificial is the way to go. That being said, let me show you guys what I have behind me and we're gonna open it together. I hope you guys enjoyed, and also don't forget, everything will be listed down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let's open up these trees. Purchase an artificial tree. That's one of the things you have to do, because when they will come out of the box, it's not gonna look very flattering. It's gonna be flat, and I think the reason why they do that is so that it fits in the box. All right, come over here. So we're gonna open it up on this side, and much how it is for all artificial trees. You have to fluff them, and that can take about an hour or two depending on how big your tree is. My tree, it is 7.5 feet tall. And you guys ready? All right, I'm really excited for you guys to see this, and here you have it. This is how it looks when you open it. Hold on, I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer. My tree has LED lights, and here we have some extra little light bulbs just in case any of them burned. We have my Christmas tree for 2020. Check it out. We are doing a black tree, you guys. I am so excited. The name of my tree is called Tuxedo Black, and I got it in the size 7.5. One thing I do love about this tree is that it has a very velvety and luxy look. When I was asked which color I wanted to use for Christmas or to review for this video, I was really excited to pick the color black. And the reason why is because I have never seen a Christmas tree that is black, and also, we celebrate Halloween, so I thought, you know what? I can have a Halloween tree, transition it into Christmas for next year. So that is the reason why I went with black, and I just feel like black is so elegant and you cannot go wrong. So yeah, this is the reason why I went with a black tree. I'm assuming this is the top, part 3. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the color? I want to make my tree look luxe. That's the look that I'm going for, very luxurious, and I have everything for my living room to make it look that way. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. I will be rearranging my living room because usually where I like to place my tree is back here where the lamp is at. So I'm gonna have to move everything around. But right now, let me just get the tree up so that you guys can see how it looks. Leo's here. What do you think, Leo? Do you like it?
Yeah, I get one.
It's a big one, Puppy.
Oh,
it's a big one.
I want a little one.
You want a little one too?
Yeah.
What color is this?
Black.
Wow, do you like it?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, we're gonna put it together. I'll put it together, okay? And I'll call you when I'm done.
Okay.
He wants to decorate. Now what we're gonna do is place this down here. So now that we have this on the ground, we're gonna pick up our tree and place it in here. Like that. Super easy. I'm also going to cut this off and the tree will come down. There you go. Ooh la la. Wow. Ah! So here you have it. Oh my goodness. So fun. You're gonna remove this. This is trash. I thought it goes with it. But okay, we're not gonna fluff it out right now. I wanna show you how it looks without being fluff. So here you have it. This is part number 2.
Are you ready? Oh!
What do you think? Leo's here. He's looking at the whole tree in action. What do you think, Puppy? Is it cool?
Yeah.
Of fluffing it. It looks huge, you guys. I didn't expect it to be this big. Wow, to me it looks like a 9 feet tall tree. I'm 4'11", but it looks really big. So we're gonna fluff it out and then I'll be back so I can show you guys how it looks. So let me give you guys my overall thoughts of the Christmas tree and just the whole process. Unboxing it was super easy. As you guys saw, it comes in 3 parts. So it has a little tag too. So 1, 2, 3, you plug it and then you're good to go. The part that is gonna take you the most is gonna be fluffing it. But one thing I did notice from this Christmas tree, then different from the one I did last year, which was artificial, the branches for this one are so soft. Like, when I mean soft, I'm not saying that they're not firm. They are firm, but the actual little texture of the material that they're using is so soft that you can even fluff it without having gloves. Because I remember last year I needed gloves. It was so painful. My fingers were so tired. I even got scratches. It was actually not a good experience. So when I was fluffing this one, I was like, oh my god, it's not scratching me. Yay, good. Another thing that I love about this tree is that it spins, you guys. You have no idea how easy it's going to be decorating this tree. I'm really excited because I'm going to be putting ribbon all around it. You guys will see. I'm actually going to do a part 2 so that you guys can decorate with me and see all of my ornaments and all that good stuff. Another thing that I like about the tree is that it's 7.5 feet tall, which honestly it feels more like a 9 feet tall. I'm pretty sure I'm 4'11". You can say right now I'm like 5 something because I have high heels on. But this tree is huge, you guys. Huge, very fluffy, and we're gonna turn it on together too. I didn't get a chance to fluff it all out, so I'm just gonna leave it like this because I do want to show you guys the other tree. I'm also going to rearrange the living room because this tree is gonna go back there, and then the other tree, we'll figure it out if I'm gonna use it or not. But if we do, we're gonna put it on that side. So regardless of anything, this tree is going back there. How often do you see a black Christmas tree? So when I got the opportunity, they gave me a couple of options, and I was like, I thought of doing white. I was like, white would be beautiful, you know, like a white Christmas, winter wonderland, more common. As for a black tree, I feel like it's so luxe. It's gonna look amazing. I can already picture it. So I'm really excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see the final product. But right now we are going to turn it on together so you guys can see the lights because I am so excited about the lights. I want to see how they look, and I have a feeling they're gonna be really pretty. And here you have it with the lights on, you guys. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, my boots are coming down. Clips of how it looks at night. That way you get an idea. I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm gonna stop it right here and I'm gonna get to the other box and open it up so that you guys can see the difference between both trees.
my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming.
And then over here we have more lights, replacements, and it has tags. The bottom, I'm gonna have to screw it. So when I pick up this part, what I'll do is just place it there and then screw it just to tighten it up. And then I'll let it go. Ooh, nice. And this part from this tree, as you can see, it's different. It's not as sophisticated as the other is. And also another thing that I noticed right away as soon as I opened the box is that this tree is matte. So here is our tree from Micheals. Now let me walk over here so that you can see the Treetopia tree. You see the difference? Wow, big difference. That is a lot more shinier, and this over here is really matte. And this is today's makeup and hairstyle. I got dressed up. Oh, by the way, yesterday was our anniversary, my husband and I. And I made some really yummy dinner. I know, random. But anyways, we're gonna put our last part and then we'll see how the tree looks. And let's make sure we plug it. Again, the plug is different than the one from Treetopia. It's getting dark on me, you guys. But this is it. This is without me fluffing it or doing nothing to it. I have to say, okay, so just looking at this tree straight from the box without fluffing it, I have to say it looks pretty empty. I feel like it's not as full as my Treetopia tree. I mean, of course, I already fluffed that one out. I mean, it's gorgeous. We cannot disagree on that. Also, the price point. The Treetopia tree, it is a little bit more expensive, but I feel like it's totally worth it, especially for the quality. And also, I want to see the height because my Treetopia looks taller than the tree that we got from Micheals. So let me just fluff this out and I'll come back and give you guys my honest opinion on both trees. One thing I do want to mention is that both trees are LED lights. So I'm interested to seeing of what tone this tree has. I know I'm very particular when it comes to Christmas lights. I have shared this with a couple of my friends on Instagram. I'm like, girl, it has to be the right tone. And for my Treetopia, I am beyond excited. I am 100% satisfied with the tone of the lights. It's gonna look perfect with my ornaments. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So for this one, we're gonna turn it on as soon as I am done fluffing it because I do want to give it a chance, you know. I want to give it a chance to prove me that it's a good tree, which it is a good tree, but I don't know, you guys, I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about both trees? Let me fluff it out and I'll be right back. Okay, it's looking a lot better. My mom is helping me fluff the tree, but you can kind of see the difference here on my camera. That tree from Treetopia looks very black, and also it has a shimmer, like a shimmery, shiny look to it. As for this one, it's so matte. I guess it's all about personal preference, but in my opinion, I prefer that tree right there from Treetopia over my Micheals tree. They're both gorgeous. I will decorate both of them and show you, but so far Treetopia is winning. Alright, you guys, so here you have them side by side, and as you can see, one of the trees look more matte, the other is more shiny. I'm gonna turn them on right now. I'll put them side by side. I'm gonna actually bring this one back there because this is gonna go on that corner. This is gonna go in that corner. So here's a close-up. This tree from Micheals. A lot of gaps, I have to say. And this is the Treetopia tree. Super full. I want to talk about the pros and cons of each tree. For example, I want to start with Treetopia. I like that it's full. I like that you can spin the tree. It was super easy to put on. Same as the other one, to be honest. They were both easy. One thing I did like about this tree from Micheals is the lights. The lights, I am loving them. Other than that, to be honest, you guys, I like this tree more. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Treetopia for sponsoring this video. My overall thoughts, you guys, I prefer the Treetopia tree, but I really do love the lights on the Micheals tree. So if I was to pick one of them, I would definitely go with Treetopia, hands down. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
Making angels in the sand.